Hello everyone, welcome to Geek Today, where we explore the latest and most exciting advancements in technology. Today we are going to talk about one of the most revolutionary technological inventions of the 21st century and visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk's latest venture, Neuralink. Neuralink is a technology that aims to merge the human brain with computers. In this video, we will discuss what Neuralink is, how it works, and its features. Before we dive into details, let's first understand what Neuralink is. So what is Neuralink? Neuralink is a brain-machine interface, BMI, that was founded by Elon Musk's company, Neuralink Corp, in 2016. Neuralink aims to create a brain implant that can connect human brains directly to computers, acting as a bridge between the human brain and artificial intelligence, AI. The technology involves implanting a tiny coin-shaped device into the skull. The implant contains a thin, flexible electrode array that is surgically inserted into the brain to detect and record neural activity. The implant is designed to be minimally invasive, meaning that it does not require the removal of large portions of the skull. The implant is incredibly small and can be implanted using minimally invasive surgical techniques. This means that the implantation process is relatively safe and patients can recover quickly. This is made possible by using small threads that are thinner than a human hair to penetrate the brain tissue and detect neural activity. But how exactly does Neuralink capture neural activity in the brain? The answer lies in the thin, flexible electrode array that is implanted in the brain. This array consists of thousands of tiny electrodes that are capable of detecting the electrical signals produced by neurons. The electrodes in the device are placed in close proximity to neurons in the brain. These neurons communicate with each other by sending electrical signals. The electrodes in the Neuralink device pick up these signals and transmit them to a small computer that is attached to the device. The computer then decodes these signals and translates them into actions. One of the most exciting features of Neuralink is its ability to create a direct connection between the brain and computer, allowing users to control digital devices with their thoughts. This technology will surely help people with paralysis or other disabilities to regain control of their limbs or communicate with others. For example, people with spinal cord injuries could use the technology to control a wheelchair or a prosthetic limb. The technology could also be used to help people with Parkinson's disease or other neurological disorders. The most important and perhaps the most revolutionary feature about Neuralink is its ability to create wireless connections between the human brain and digital devices. Neuralink uses a technology called thread technology to implant tiny electrodes into the brain. These electrodes are thinner than a human hair and are inserted into the brain using a special robot. Once inserted, the electrodes can pick up signals from individual neurons in the brain, allowing for much more precise reading of brain activity than previous technologies. The signals picked up by the electrodes are then transmitted wirelessly to a device called the link. The link is a small device that is implanted behind the ear and acts as a bridge between the brain and the computer. It receives the signals from the electrodes and then transmits them wirelessly to a computer or other device. The wireless connection between the brain and the computer is made possible by a technology called Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. BLE is a wireless protocol that is commonly used for low-power devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches. The link uses BLE to transmit the signals picked up by the electrodes to the computer. Another feature is that it could be used to enhance cognitive abilities by stimulating certain parts of the brain. For example, the technology could be used to help people learn faster or to improve memory. It could also be used to enhance creativity or to help people communicate more effectively. Neuralink hopes to develop technology that can allow humans to merge with artificial intelligence, potentially enabling us to communicate telepathically. This is perhaps the most exciting feature, as it will enable people with the implant to have brain-to-brain communications where they can share thoughts, emotions and sensory experience directly with each other. Another potential application of Neuralink is in the field of education. By allowing for direct communication between the brain and technology, Neuralink could provide a more immersive and personalized learning experience. For example, students could potentially download information directly into their brains, allowing for faster and more efficient learning. Finally, through neural network analysis, Neuralink uses advanced algorithms to analyze neural data collected by the implant, allowing for a better understanding of how the brain works and how it can be manipulated to achieve its maximum potential. It also communicates wirelessly with external devices using Bluetooth technology, allowing for seamless integration with smartphones, computers and other digital devices. Elon Musk suggested that they are working on a mobile app that will allow those with the implant to control it through their mobile phones. Conclusion: overall, Neuralink's implantable brain-machine interface (BMI) represents a major leap forward in our ability to interface with the brain and could have a wide range of applications in both medical and non-medical settings. However, the technology is still in its early stages of development and it will likely be several years before it is widely available to the public. There are also ethical concerns surrounding the use of brain implants, and it remains to be seen how society will grapple with these issues as the technology continues to advance. Neuralink. We hope that you found this video informative and interesting. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting videos.